Hi friends, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a video of changing your HP 419 print head. This is my printer. I think I got it 5 years back and it's gone bad in the sense that colors are not coming. So yesterday this was a state where it was only printing yellows and black, and then later I played with the print head, actually literally put it in the boiling water, which you should not be doing, but I was like, this is the last resort. I tried that. And so then it became like this. Basically my tricolor print head went bad. Okay. Just before doing this, I want to give you a tip for you, because many times it is not printing different colors, because I hope I can show you. I'll just take this. It's not related to changing print heads, but I want to show you. Let me take these are the three colors. This is let me zoom. Okay, hope you can see. These are the three colors. This is a tube. This is the yellow, cyan, blue and black. At times it is possible that they have air bubbles, which because of which it is not printing a particular color. So it has happened to me. Sometimes you need to suck out the air bubbles out of it. It's not an easy task, but my challenge was that I wanted to do it without calling a technician. That is, I wanted to do it myself. Another was that I don't know how to open all this, so I did not want to risk that. So I will give you a easy tip, which I don't know if it is legal, but do it with caution. So the tip is that I went to a medical shop and got a 20 ml syringe, and then I wanted a flexible tube. This I got an idea from a YouTube channel. So let me reduce the volume. So this is a catheter tube. This is a little flexible. I paid 60 rupees for this around. So along with it, this combination I got for 84 rupees in a medical shop in Bangalore. So this is this long. I forgot to take a photo before I cut it out. So this was long. I reduced it such that it will go here. There is a small nozzle where the ink falls to the print head. So I place it there, and in multiple iteration I will try to suck out the air. So literally the ink has to come in this one, literally. So unless the ink is coming in, you are literally sucking out just the air. I had to do it multiple times, but I think I'm fairly successful. I mean, that's one way. I won't say it is totally successful, but this has helped, because if you're looking for something which to suck out the air, this is a combination. I went to the medical shop and got this. So this is what I'm saying. This is flexible, so that you can put it like this and pull it out. You can even do it yourself. Okay. So that's the tip about removing air bubbles. So now let's go and now let us go about and change the print head. So I just got the print head delivered just now from Amazon. This print head. I'm going to install it and show you how to do it. Okay. Just before that, let us remove the print head. So my printer is switched off. I'll move it here. This position. So I hope. Okay, I'm just holding it with one hand. So here I bring it back, push it here, and I align it, and I'll just push it, do it like this. Then okay, I'll remove this print head like this. I'll just take it like this. Take it with caution. So you can see that the ink is flowing through here, and I'll see here. Okay, now I'll dab it for you. So now, since this, see, I had literally cleaned the whole thing using boiling water, which you should not be doing. I mean, basically you should not be putting this part in the heat or anything, but sometimes putting alcohol works. But I just was trying this. What is it? Okay, so you can see that the colors are coming here. So that means the air pipe, there are no bubbles. So when you dab this here, when you dab it here, you should be getting 3 streaks of colors. So this is because I'm not getting any color here. Previously it used to be yellow. Used to be getting 3 streaks of color, each of these colors. So 3 single parallel lines. That's what you should be getting, which is not getting. That's the reason why I'm planning to replace the print head, because I think it has gone bad. but you can see that 3 colors are coming here, which means hopefully there are no air in the pipes. Okay, so that is first thing that you have to see. Okay, so let's go and replace it. So it's too well packed that I can't figure out where to. Sorry, since I'm doing it on camera, I've been very hurried about it. So this is the print head. It's saying MRP 1500. I paid around 1300 on Amazon. So let's do this placing. Yeah, I'm hoping it is working. Otherwise, there's no way I can return this thing. So this is the print head, okay, and I'm taking this off here, okay. So now I'm going to gently place it there. I'm going to gently place it here. Okay, I have placed the print head here, slid it here. So this is the only position where it is easy to do that, and here you can see that there are nozzles. This is the nozzle. I literally placed this tube here with the syringe, and that's how I tried to suck out the air in the tubes. It was fine. I think I was a little okay. So that is the easiest way to remove the air in the tubes. I mean, layman terms, I think you can get if you're scared, you should always get, it's a risky move, so you should always be doing all this under, that you might be damaging your printer, but I like to do it yourself, so that's what I'm doing. So then you pull it down, so now it's there. Now let's close this. It's closed, okay, here, and this also needs to be securely closed, otherwise the printer will not work. That's what I figured out. So now let us do a print. So this was the latest print from my printer, and this was another way I know that the colors are not working, was that when I did a print quality diagnostic, it printed all the black, but it did not print any of those colors. So those are the things that gave me an idea that my print head is gone, screwed, which I literally did. Actually previously it was working, it was just showing yellow. Yeah, so let us do the printing test. So when I switched on the printer, it actually printed this. So it has some colors, blue has come. So let us place the paper back and let's see what will print again. In your printer. So clicked on maintain your printer. So here I'm clicking on a print quality. Okay. So this is my print quality diagnostics. I have these colors coming in. I have all these colors here. So it has been printed: cyan, magenta, yellow, light cyan, light magenta, light yellow. So I think this looks even blackish there. So I think this not, I don't know, there is if there's a dark line, a white gap, and I'll print out. So it says if these images look okay, the printer appears to be working. So it seems to be working now. So next we will try printing this. Let's see, this is Mount Rainier, I think. Let's see, print landscape, and the paper size A4, and print. Okay. So it looks nice, picture looks nice. Okay, so let us take a look at the pictures. I think the greens are looking fine, the sky is looking blue, the whites are looking nice, the snow is looking, these are looking lavenders. So I think we have successfully changed the print head. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.